how to track someone location on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can track someone location on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to open up a Facebook in your device and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So once you're here, tap in the search bar at the top right, and in the search bar now you have to search for the account. So enter the name of the account that you would like to search. For example, I want to search for David, then search for it. Then head over to people from the menu bar. Once you tap on people, now to track the location, tap on the filter icon at the top right. Now from here you have to head over to city. Now find the city, or you have to search for the address that you would like to track. So if I select one of the address from here, then tap on show results. Now here are all of the list of the people with their location. So in this way you could track someone on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.